The world thinks AI is the next big thing. Tech companies are booming. Stock markets are hitting record highs, and everyone says this time is different. But what if this AI boom is also building a hidden inflation bubble? Picture it like this. Monkeys everywhere are excited about the new banana machines. They promise faster production, better banana tech, the future of the jungle. Everyone wants in prices go up, banana stocks go up. Monkeys borrowed leaves to buy banana futures. Sounds good? Until you ask one question. Where are all the real bananas? Monkeys have more leaves, more machines, more promises, but fewer bananas being delivered. And every time central bank monkeys meet, they ask, how do we keep prices stable without stopping growth? Some say cut interest rates to help banana production. Others warn that cheap leaves just inflate the bubble. Now, analysts are saying this AI boom, the one fueled by excitement and cheap borrowing, has four classic bubble signs. Overinvestment, overvaluation, overownership. It's like building a banana skyscraper on marshmallows. But here's the twist. This time, the banana boom isn't about bananas. It's about confidence. Monkeys see prices rising and think bananas only go up. Sound familiar? Yet when input costs like energy for banana processors and silicon for banana, AI chips rise, inflation gets real, and real inflation eats banana wallets. So the question now isn't, will the AI banana bubble burst? It's, when and how hard will it shake the jungle? If inflation starts rising again and interest rates go up, because cheap leaves lose their magic. Monkeys who bought banana futures with borrowed leaves could be left holding nothing but paper, and markets could tumble faster than anyone expects. Because at the end of the day, you don't need bananas to go up, you need real bananas and real value. So watch the trends, watch the numbers, and remember, when everything looks too good to be true, it probably is. Bananas don't always go up.